I'm Scott Day. I'm Chief Technology Officer at SoundExchange. I'm responsible for everything related to our information technology, everything from our IT infrastructure to our software engineering, our development operations, and all project management. SoundExchange is a independent organization, not-for-profit, that was created by some US copyright legislation that got passed in the 1990s, and basically we're the sole US entity to collect and distribute royalties related to the performance of sound recordings and a number of digital services in the US. When I started in kind of late 2011, we were trying to figure out how we're going to transform the technology platform as well as achieve some business goals, which was to expand beyond our core mission, kind of diversify our source of royalties that we were collecting and distributing. We needed to reduce the technology drag that was kind of slowing our progress, and ultimately we needed to do it in the most efficient, reliable, rapid, fast way we can do that. I mean, as a nonprofit, any of our expenses essentially take out from the ultimate recipient of the royalties, so we were trying to make sure that our administrative costs were as low as possible and continue to stay as low as possible. So we started with a very small step, which was our corporate website, and said, it doesn't connect to anything else. It was self-contained, and we thought we would learn a lot in that process. And then if we had problems, it was relatively low risk for us, and that went fairly quickly. We essentially, I think over the course of a day or two, had it up and running on AWS using EC2 for compute and S3 for storage, and some of the networking infrastructure, and that allowed us to start learning, and then we started adding capabilities to their elastic load balancing and auto scaling. We just kept adding from there, and then as we were starting this rather large strategic business initiative to basically build a brand new platform to kind of transform to this new platform, we said, let's see if we can't leverage AWS and the cloud as we go through building out the new systems. And essentially, as we've brought on newer components for this overall new platform, each of them have been launched on AWS. In terms of what we're running on AWS, it started, like I said, with our website, SoundExchange.com, but now it's pretty much our core business processes and our core royalty administration platform is all on AWS. And there are 6 back-end systems that are kind of doing the hard work, and then we have a number of front-end, either internally facing or externally facing customer portals and applications that are built on top of that. We think the sky's the limit in terms of if there is a copyrighted item that has a usage-based charge or royalty associated with it, we've got, we believe, a flexible enough platform to be able to support that, and we've got the scale now that we've got everything on the cloud. So we are shifting our focus a bit and expanding so that we're trying to diversify our royalties that we collect, expanding beyond the core mission into new business areas, and we feel like we're well positioned to pursue that now.